In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change this picture to another student and then resave this as a different JPEG file. Before you change the picture, please be sure that you have already saved this child's picture as a JPEG file before proceeding. So if you've already saved this as a JPEG and you want to change it, all you do is you click on the picture, you come up to the Format tab, you click Format, Change Picture from File, you browse to where you have your student photos, choose a different photo, and click Insert. And then they will change that to a different student, and you will notice that it is still cropped to a circle. That's why I do it this way, just so I don't have to keep recropping the pictures, because it's already cropped to that nice circle shape for the card. So then I want to show a little bit more of this student's face. So what you do is you go up to crop, it's under the Format tab still, and you hit the crop button, where you're going to see the black crop handles again. But this time I want to just kind of make his face a little bit bigger. So instead of using the crop handles, because it's already cropped to a nice circle for the snowman, I'm going to use the white dots. So I'm going to drag the white dots and just make him bigger. But you'll notice that it still stays as that circle crop shape. So I'm just going to make it just a little bigger. So you just resize the picture using the white dots until he fits, the new student fits in that cropped circle shape. And when you have that done, you just click off the picture, and then the new student's, the new student picture is there, already cropped to the circle size and shape that you want to use for this card. So once you have the new student's picture, you want to save his card as a JPEG. So you go up to File, Save As, Browse to the folder where you've been saving the Christmas cards. You want to click or change Save As Type. We don't want a PowerPoint presentation, we want a JPEG file. So use the drop down, choose JPEG file, and then you want to change his name. And again, I suggest using the child's name so that it's easy to assign. So once you've changed the file name and the file type, you click Save. And then the pop-up's going to come up from PowerPoint asking which slide you want to export. It's important that you pick just this one, because you just want one of the slides saved. So just this one. So then just this slide with this student's picture is now saved to your computer, and you can send and assign it to him.